Oh boy. We're here, Stampy. Are you ready for your vacation?
Is this the kitty? That's Stampy.
Yeah, it's my Stampy.
His toys, and that's his bed. Bye, Stampy. Goodbye, kitty. Somebody needs to play at the on the road again.
No, I'm not playing that.
I bet my mom's already playing it.
You have to find the things that it says on the card. A shortcut card. What you can do is you take that card, and if there's one that you don't think you'll be able to find or that you've had for a long time, you can give both those cards back and get 2 different ones.
Cool.
Sweetie's cards. Can you hear me, Sweetie?
Yeah.
A private property, no trespassing, or do not enter sign. Well, that should be okay. 2 different colored animals in the same field.
That's good.
Once we get off the road, that'll be
Yeah.
Once
An
we find, like,
animal
cows.
lying down. Oh man, you might get 2 cards at once.
I know.
Yeah.
A vehicle with a fuel tank, access panel, or cap on the passenger side.
That's easy.
Yeah, right. And a shortcut card.
Okay.
Okay, you want me to read mine?
Yeah.
Out loud? Alright. So mine, I got a shortcut card, a hospital or medical assistance sign, a parked bus, a vehicle traveling in excess of the speed limit.
Oh, that'll be easy.
Yeah, and a train.
You always got people zooming past you.
Right.
A train. Ooh, that might be hard.
Is there
Yeah.
readers you want me to do?
I got all easy ones except for the
There.
train card.
Okay, Johns are a large rock marking the entrance to a building, park, or path. A field with no visible rocks or boulders. So that should be easy. A detour, as long as it's not ours. A rodeo, expedition, carnival, or fair. auction or flea market.
You're not gonna find like 3 of yours.
Yeah.
An expansion joint, rumble strip, or gap in the roadway. Oh man, that's easy.
Yeah.
Here, and I'll read mine out loud.
I think.
An open gate or gateway.
Okay.
A building, house, or bridge under construction. A triangular shaped object other than a road sign. Hay bales. Something purple or pink in color. That
Well,
should be
Sarah's
easy.
good at spotting things that are pink, so
Yeah.
we'll leave her to do that one.
I thought about bringing a notebook and writing down what
My
everybody
nails
had.
count?
It has to be something outside though.
But aren't my nails pretty?
They are. They are.
Yeah.
They're beach pink.
Ooh, I like those.
And they match my bathing suit. I totally did that on purpose.
He complaining and it was taking us
Sky,
long at the
white
vet. Like,
man.
what were we supposed to do about it?
Yeah.
I get to exchange my card.
Like-
now.
I had to drop
And
off
then
3 animals.
she hung up, and then like 1 minute.
Good luck with this one, Trudy.
What is it?
What is it?
A motorized watercraft or vessel. You might see somebody
Somebody towing a thing. Yeah.
Oh, that guy's going a little fast.
We already got rid of that card. Sorry.
Or is that what you call it, Heather?
Just now, yeah, Doritos. Doritos. Here comes the rain. And it's raining. Whoa, look at those dark clouds.
Yeah.
Of course, he literally gets the card. And as soon as he gets the card, we find what it is.
A vehicle
he
with
gets
a
to swap
commercial
again.
logo or symbol. Oh, come on. That's
He's getting all the easy ones.
I just saw like 50 of them. That's not fair.
I only found 2. I found the hospital sign and the guy speeding.
I found 1.
I didn't find any yet.
I found 1. It's like a misty rain, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You can hear it when it lands.
It sounds weird.
Yeah.
At least it's not the big fat drops though, because those can get really
Come
loud.
on, why couldn't you have been towing a boat, dude?
Oh, this is what I get for saying it was nice quiet rain. Then this happens.
Whoa.
And it's really hard to see.
Blades for this one. Even that's not
these fries need a little bit of salt though.
Not much. So I put, like mayonnaise. Spread the mayonnaise.
We're in South Carolina. Alright.
It
My
wasn't
new
a
card.
rundown house. It was a
Cross but not an X.
campground.
Mom, a cross but not an X. We literally just passed a church that had crosses on it. Why did I get this card literally 30 seconds earlier? Okay, that's gonna be pretty simple.
In my pink building.
Driveway right there.
Cool.
We're all getting cards right now.
I never traded in my pink building, so I have to do that.
Oh boy.
Isn't that fun?
Let's do that to Sarah.
Don't make Sarah laugh too hard. She's driving.
No, Mommy will. Tower landmark. It's not like an hour away.
Yeah, about. Almost missed it. Y'all didn't tell me.
I wasn't looking. I was looking over at Daddy.
Thankfully, I saw it out of the corner of my eye, or else I would have missed it. I just up on trees.
All right, I got. Oh, come on! A marina, yacht club, wharf, boat launch, or dock area.
Well, we're going to the beach, so we'll probably see something like that.
We're not playing anymore.
True.
Sometimes they put the signs on it.
Oh, a no trespassing sign.
Finally.
Oh, we're all getting a wave of getting our cards again.
Yes, I have.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
There's more rain coming. Prepare.
Here it comes.
Yep. You can just see the curtain of rain coming.
Leeway there.
Oh, you dang trees!
Oh, it's the kid from The Simpsons.
Right. Into the rain for the third time today.
Whoa.
Whoa!
I see somebody.
Somebody sliding.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
No, I saw somebody.
Oh, the sun's coming out a little bit.
Ryan, Heather, shut your mouth.
Right.
Railroad crossing sign in the middle lane.
You're never gonna find that one.
Have fun with that.
Yeah, Heather got rid of her train for the park for the same.
Yeah.
That was the thing we used to do.
Oh my gosh.
Or I'd be like, I smell a skunk with pepperoni, cheese, and sausage on it. I want it.
I 3 it.
I 4 it.
Oh, sorry. I 5 it.
You didn't say it.
I said
That's
6.
it.
Oh, I 7 it.
I ate it and it was delicious.
That's what we should do.
Okay.
So much fun.
It's stupid, but it was.
It was so stupid.
That's what I get for saying the sun came out. The rain curtains are coming back.
Okay. Oh, you got a shortcut card to me.
Oh, nice. You finally got a shortcut card.
Does it just sound like? Why is she saying it with an S on it?
Stores and stuff. You're like, you can just tell we're at the beach. Like we haven't seen the ocean yet, but you
If
can
somebody
tell we're at
plopped
the
me
beach.
down right here, I would know it was near the beach.
Yeah.
Should be there soon. 26th Avenue.
That's it right there.
Here.
The ocean. It's so pretty.
So beautiful.
I
It always
know.
looks so funny because it looks so high.
I know.
Even though that's the
Yeah.
horizon line, it just
It just
looks so
looks
high.
funny.
It's weird.
Look at all the palm
there should be
trees. It's
parking
so
here just to check in.
pretty.
Wait, do what now?
There's where Rose and Miguel are staying.
And this
Wee.
he just goes.
So pretty. Yeah. We just rode in the elevators. We've been watching from across the street every time we come here. Look at that! Holy crap! We are high. Do I dare? No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Washer and dryer. Ooh. It's nice. Oh yeah, look at that view. Here's our kitchen. Nice bedroom. I just want to see this balcony. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
I know. I mean, we could like literally like say, "Hello down there." That'd be hilarious if somebody looked up.
Right. This is nice. Here's the room that mom and dad are sleeping in. They got a nice little corner window right here. Wow. I was looking at your bathroom. I'm coming. There's 2 bathrooms. Yeah.
Okay, so that's decent.
All right, come on.
All right, let's go unload everything.
Waiting on us.
Do not bring the cat out in the balcony, Emily. I don't want it to risk getting it dropped. Okay. That's one rule. You can play with the cat, but my one rule is do not bring it out in the balcony, okay? It's beautiful.
I see the pool already.
Yeah, look at the pool down there. Oh my gosh, we're high. Holy frick. My fear of heights. I can't not reach that. We are castaways. Yes, Arabella.
Bestie!
Look. You should do that dance in front of the ocean. Very beautiful, Arabella.
Into the thick of it!
Into the thick of it! Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What?
Wait.
What are you showing me? Did you just do that?
Yeah. It was a workout, let me tell you.
First time, huh?
No. Oh god.
You okay? Rain. Apparently mom just saw lightning. I'm pretty sure that's the cloud it's coming from over there. Whoa!
Yeah.
Man, I didn't have the camera pointed that way!
Dang it. What if there was just like a big monster in the distance? Just a big shadow.
Shadow people!
Have you seen that one TikTok?
It'll be the Kraken coming out of the water.
No, have you seen that?
There was one over there. Oh. I think my hand was in the way. Arabella. Ooh. That was bright. After all that lightning's over, we are now walking to the beach for a little bit. At least I'm pretty sure the lightning's over. No, it's not. Never mind.
Look at the Ferris wheel.
The sky wheel? Yeah, look, they got the sky wheel, they remodeled the sky wheel. It has better lighting now. Look at the sky wheel over there. I'm pretty sure Arabella just cut her foot on a shell. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Okay. There we go, the sky wheel with the reflection. Okay.
Wait. Oh my god, wait.
What?
Is that a jellyfish?
Wait, is it? Dude, there's a jellyfish right here. Come here. We found a jellyfish.
Kill it. Splash him.
I I'm not sure what kind it is though. If it was a moon jellyfish, you could just pick it up, but that's not a moon jellyfish.
The water should be coming in. Look at it.
You're welcome. My favorite, like, you can touch the head.
Oh, here comes the water.
Scoot back.
He's stuck.
You can touch it if you want to. Just touch the head. Hey, be
Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up.
Be careful. Put it down.
Oh God. Not sure what kind of jellyfish that
Only
is.
by the head. Don't touch down.
I'm not sure what kind it is. I'm pretty sure it's dead though.
Okay, be careful.
Oh my God. We found a jellyfish already this trip. There's gonna be many more and we're gonna get stung by them. Yeah. Ooh. Touch it, Arabella. Oh crap, oh crap. I don't want to get that thing washed up on my feet. Those things hurt, those are painful. Those aren't your little moon jellies. Moon jellies don't hurt that bad, those do. Mom's picking up the jellyfish.
Weird looking. It doesn't even have long tentacles.
Mom's bringing a jellyfish back out to the water. Look at the jellyfish. That's cool.
It's hard. Throw it.
Alright. Yeah. Bye, jellyfish. Goodbye. I hope you're still alive. Also, it's starting to rain. So